Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Traveler 5, Module 1, Vocabulary Revision. Okay. Today, inshallah, we will revise the vocabulary, especially the word easily confused. Please go back to your book, Unit 1, page 8. When you are trying to do such task or such exercise, word easily confused, you have to do something. First of all, try to check the meaning of the words. Look for them in the dictionary, even if it is digital dictionary or the traditional dictionary. Okay? After you gain the real meaning, the accurate meaning for each word, try to get the meaning of them in context. Then, try to put them in new sentences. By this, you will be so familiar with these words, easily confused words. Okay, let's go for the first group. Traveling, excursion, expedition, voyage, flight, journey, tour, cruise, and trip. Okay. Traveling. What do we mean by traveling? If you check the meaning in the dictionary, you will find that traveling means going on a long trip away from your home, your city, your country. So this is a traveling. You're going on a long trip. It's a long trip. And it's away from your home or your country or your city. This is traveling. So put in your mind these two things, long and away from your home or country. Excursion, short visit. It's short visit, not a trip, visit. Okay, to a place of interest. It might be in the same city or the same country, just short visit to a place of interest, a place you like, a place you are trying to know more about, place you love. Expedition, a long journey, same like traveling, but long journey, it is an organized one. It's organized for a specific purpose made by group of people. Sometimes this purpose is scientific one, okay? So it's a long journey organized for a specific purpose made by a group of people. It might be in your city or in your country, just long and for a purpose with a group of people or by a group of people. Voyage, it's a long journey too, but by a ship, by ships or spacecraft. Long journey by ship or spacecraft. Flight, a journey through air or space in a plane. So it's a journey through air or space in a plane. My flight number is 24A, for example. So this is the journey through the air in a plane. Okay, journey. Journey, what does journey mean? It means when you travel from one place to another, simply. Traveling from one place to another, this is a journey. Tour, it's organized like expedition, but expedition is a long one. Tour, no. Organized trip during which you visit various places. For example, I'm traveling to, let's say, Al-Ula. So I will, let's say, I will have a tour in the mountains of Al-Ula or any place. So it's an organized trip during which you visit various places. Cruise, journey on a ship. Remember, voyage, it's in a ship. But cruise for pleasure, and most of the time it is luxury one, which includes visiting different destination. It's a cruise, let's say in Pacific Ocean. So you have to, or you will be able to visit different destination, many countries, many cities during this cruise. Trip, journey to a place, usually for a short period of time. It's a place, okay? It shouldn't be from a city, from your home, or from a city to another city. It could be at the place, usually for a short period of time. Okay. Let's do this exercise. Okay, here you have the same words, word easily confused, page 8 by the way, and try to complete these sentences using the correct form of the words in the boxes. The first box, you have travel, trip, journey, tour, voyage, cruise, flight, excursion, and expedition. Open your book, page 8, please. Our geography teacher keeps telling us that, okay, broaden the mind, expand, giving you more information, opinions, okay? So, what's the right or the correct word here? Our geography teacher keeps telling us that, yes, traveling. Is your class coming on the afternoon to Windsor Castle? So it's a trip for a specific place and among the city. Yes, excursion. Scott kept a journal of his scientific to the North Pole. Scientific, this is the purpose, and it is to the North Pole. So yeah, expedition. Many immigrants were, number 4. Many immigrants arrived in New York after 6-week cross the Atlantic Ocean. So for sure, voyage. The of Sao Paulo has been delayed due to heavy air at the airport. Yes, the flight itself, airport, plane. It's 5 hours by bus from, where is it? From Florence to Naples. Yes, journey. It's the traveling from place to another place. So it's 5-hour journey by bus from Florence to Naples. We went on guided walking of city last summer. Yes, tour. We are going on 2-week Indian Ocean for luxurious ship. Yeah, ship and luxury, so it is cruise. Is your family still planning to go on to Washington next week? Yes, trip. Okay. Let's go to the second group of words. Resort, cottage, hostel, cabin. Okay. All these words are belonging to traveling, accommodation, a place to live or to stay. Okay. Resort, it's place where you go for holidays. And resort, most of the time, is a luxury place beside the ocean or beside the, let's say, seas, in the between mountains. So it's a luxury place you go for holidays, and there are many, let's say, classes, free classes, facilities, luxury facilities. Cottage, a small house in village or in the countryside, small house in the countryside or village. Hostel, it's a hotel, so small hotel, you can call it inn, and it's very, very cheap. Basic accommodation, mostly popular with young people, students, and with the tight budget. Cabin, it's a small wooden house, usually in the mountains. Okay? Caravan, okay? Some people, they don't like to stay at, let's say, cabin, resort, hotel. They prefer to take their caravan with them or book one and stay at during their vacation or a trip or whatever. So caravan, it's a vehicle that people can live in and travel in during their holidays. So something like big car, let's say. Hotel, a building that offers accommodation, food, and various facilities. We know famous hotels around the world. Suites, it's a luxury room in a hotel. Okay, in the hotel or resort, you can book a room or you can book a suite. It will be a luxury room. Okay. Let's do the exercise, please. Hotel, hostel, resort, cabin, suites, cottage, caravan. The new holiday in Miami offers free tennis lesson. There are lesson, classes, okay? As we said, it's here a new holiday, so resort. Did you hear news? Joe has bought a weekend in the countryside. From the countryside, yes, it is cottage. As we were on tight budget, short of money, we had better stay at a tight budget, so go with hostel for sure. Many South Sea Islanders still live in traditional wooden, yes, cabin, wooden cabin. Tom took his to Florence and stayed in it over the summer. Take what? For sure, caravan. As that is near to the airport, a lot of businessmen stay there overnight. Hotel. The president stay in a luxury at Hilton. At the Hilton. The Hilton is the name of a hotel, famous hotel. So luxury what? The president. For sure, suite. Okay. Reach, get, approach, come, arrive. Reach, it means get to particular place, particular place. Get, it means arrive. Approach, move closer. Yeah, you are near to the place. You are not in the place. You didn't get to the place. No, you are close to the place or near the place. Come, go somewhere with somebody. Remember these two things. Somewhere with somebody. Arrive, reach a place. You are ready? Reach a place. Okay. Arrive, get, reach, come, approach. The captain promised that the passenger that the ship would depart in time to go shore for lunch. So they will go for shore and they will depart. So yes, reach particular place. What is the best way to your uncle ranch, uncle farms? The direction. So get. Bravo. As the city center, the traffic got really heavy. So yes, when we are closer to this place, the traffic is heavy. So approached, past. Okay. Are you to the airport with us? From the word with us. So with someone. Yes, coming. Are you coming with us to meet Dennis? his plane is scheduled to at 18:30. Yes, scheduled to, so particular time, arrive. Okay, this is for Unit 1. Let's go for Unit 2. But first of all, let's discuss the meaning of each word. Vocabulary, Unit 2, page 18. Please open your book, page 18. Absence, shortage, loss, and lack. Absence, it's the state of not being where some people or something is expected to be or not existing. If I ask you, are you, let's say, is Hannah here? You will say, no, she is absent. She is absent. So the absence of Hannah, this is what do we mean by the state of being, of not being where somebody should be or expected to be. Shortage, the state or condition in which there is not enough. There is something, but it is not enough of something that is needed. Okay? Loss, the fact or a process of no longer having. Nothing, you don't have it anymore, it's loss. Lack, the state of needing something that does not exist. So, it's the same like shortage, the status of not exist, but for something you need. So, the status of needing something that does not exist or is unavailable. Unavailable. Let's do the exercise. Jeremy did not come to the meeting and the manager commented on his, so he should be here and he is not, so absence. If it doesn't rain in spring, there will be a or an of water. Yes, shortage. Shortage of water. Of water this summer. Maria reported of her passport to the police. So loss. Yes, it's not available anymore. It's not here. So it's loss. Amanda was giving the job in spite of her experience. Yes, lack of experience. Okay? Lack of experience or experiences. But here it's experience. Okay, let's go to the second group of word easily confused. Manage. Manage, it means to be able to do or deal with something that require a lot of efforts. It's not something easy, it's something difficult, needs a lot of efforts. So, if you deal with it, it means you manage. Accomplish, to successfully achieve a result or complete. So you complete something with success. Succeed, okay, to achieve the correct or desired result of something you were trying to do. Achieve, to get what you want through hard work, your goals, okay? So when you get your goals, it means you achieve them. So get what you want through hard work, skill, or courage. Okay, go for number 5. Succeed, achieve, accomplish, manage. Do you think he will to finish all the work by tomorrow's deadline? So there is a time, there is a deadline. So he should what? He manage, deal with the issue, deal with it. In many computer games, you have to number of tasks to get a high score. You need to complete. Yeah, accomplish. Karim was chosen because of his communication skills will help him to, as a manager. Yes, succeed. Ken's training really hard to his goal of taking part in the Olympics, from the word goal. So he, yes, achieve his goal. Achieve his goal. Okay. Here we have coast, shore, beach. They are so similar to each other. So coast is the land next or along the sea or ocean. So the land along the ocean, along the ocean or the sea, we call it coast. Shore, it's the land along the edge, okay, the edge of lake, sea or ocean. Remember the edge, okay, not along, just along the sea. Beach, an area with sand or small stones next to a lake, sea or ocean, okay. So it's area with sand. Okay, beach, shore, coast. Page 18. A new high-speed train line has been built along the west of Scotland. From the word along the west, yes, coast. Many wild animals live on the of Lake Victoria. Okay, yes, sure, because it's area. Building sandcastle on the is a summer tradition in Britain. Yes, sure, from the word sand, it will be beach. Okay, let's go for the last group of word easily confused. Temperature, climate, weather. Temperature is measurement of the heat in a body or a place. Okay, so it is a measurement. Your temperature is high. Your temperature is, okay, good. It's low. Temperature of the heat in a body or place. Climate, the general weather condition of an area over a long period of time. Let's say it's very cold in winter in Abha. It's the general weather condition of Abha weathers during the winter. Weather, the state of the air and atmosphere with regards to wind, cloudiness, temperature, etc. at a particular place and time. Okay, how is the weather today? Okay, it's warm. How is the weather today? It's very hot. How is the weather today? It's windy. This what do we mean by weather when we say at a particular place and time. Let's do the exercise. Global warming has increased the world's average yes, temperature. Increased. So high, low. Latin America has a much more humid than most of Europe. So he is talking about the humid. So yes, it's a climate. Today's forecast is for heavy snow. Okay, so it's about today's what? For sure, weather. And by this, we come to the end of our period today. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed. Please take care, stay at homes, and be safe.